Hello man, today I'm going to show you how to get 100% deposit bonus on HFM Broker. Uyu munsi ugiye kubereka ukuntu ubona bonus y'ijana ku ijana ry'amafaranga udepositinze kuri uno broker HFM. You can even see HFM Broker, man, one of greatest forex brokers in world, man. You can check on Google, you can check anywhere else. Broker wenyine sponsoring a Premier League. So tudatinze ngiye kwereka ukuntu wabona 100% deposit bonus on HFM, man. Whether you are new user or you already have your trading account, you can still get this bonus. This bonus is for everyone. Waba uri mushyashya kuri HFM, waba usanzwe ufite accounting, mwese mwemerewe kubona ino bonus. Let's go my man. Ikintu cya mbere urabizi ko ari ukuloging in muri HFM account yawe, shyiramo password. So everyone can see on their home screens. This is how HFM platform looks like. You click on your profile up there, and then you click here on my wallet. Wait for it to load. When it gets to my wallet, you click here on wallet actions. You see wallet actions. You go down to set partner and campaign ID. You click on set partner and campaign ID. Right there. Hanyuma right wandikamo hano 355 hanyuma you click add, you click the sign, iyo message tubona. Hanyuma numara kuva kuri no step right uzano hano handitse ngo promotions. Ikona hasi hano handitse ngo promotions, kande kuri promotions. Right ubona ngo available bonuses, award, contest, reward, what and what. You click on available bonuses. After clicking on available bonuses, you will find that you already have this 100% supercharged bonus. This supercharged bonus, this one doesn't come with gold, doesn't come with the these common assets we normally trade on forex. Uraza wandikemo hano ASAM 07. This is the main promo code. Wandikemo ASAM 07, then click apply. After clicking apply, you see that you're going to see top up bonus. They're going to be giving you up to $250, man. This is a great opportunity for you to trade a better account. If you deposit $100, they give you $100. If you deposit $250, they give you $250. If you deposit $500, they also give you $250. That's gonna be $750. Now you're trading. So what you do next is you click here on open trading account. So you must look and then go open account. It has a page iri kubonaho MT5 MT4. Ubanza guhitamo account yawe kiri buze kuba ariyo muri MT5. Tugira app ebyiri, tugira MT5 na MT4. Ubanza ugakanda hano kuri MT5 hanyuma currency. Some people prefer to use euro, but for us we use USD. You choose USD. Leverage. Ushaka kwandura leverage, akamaro ka leverage ni ukuvuga ngo leverage no igabanya ingano ya risk ushobora gufata kuri account yawe. Turahitamo rimwe ku gihumbi, niyo iri normal. Hano ubona ngo account nickname, ni nickname yari yose ushobora gushaka. Ushobora gufata ino account ukayita wenda challenge, ushobora kuyita izina ryawe runaka, tuvuge niba twashema, ushobora kuyita Shema FX, ushobora kuyita ASAM FX, izina ryawe ryose wahereza ino account. Reka tuyite wenda challenge cyangwa tuyite gutya from 500 to 5000. Iryo ni izina. Nkuko ushobora kuyita Shema FX, ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo. Ko wahita kose bipfa kuba abariho wabyitiyemo. That's why they call it nickname. Hanyuma turashyiraho kanyite ASAM FX. Hano password dushyiramo ahangaha ni password uzajya ukoresha ugiye gusigning in muri MT5. Ni ukuvuga ngo iyo umaze gukora completing ino stage, bahita bakohereza email irimo irimo credentials za MT5, password na login ID biba biri bikwinjiza muri MT5 app. So hano password uhitamo, make sure kuyibuka. Password kambaye nk'urugero rwa password abantu batazi creating password. Niba witwa Nsengiyumva cyangwa Emmanuel, password ushobora kugira Emmanuel @123. Kano kantu ka arobase ugashyizemo, urabona ko bicompleting iki zino qualities waba washaka za password yawe. Iyo umaze guhitamo password, uhita uza hano hasi ubona handitse harimo ino mibare, ushyiremo 35 91 ukande add. Hanyuma uhita ukanda hano hasi handitse ngo open account. Ukimara gukanda open account uhita wakoreza email irimo password yawe, bakanakwereka hano hanakubwira ko umaze creating iki account. Bino bintu biri hano n'ubundi biba biri muri email. So ibyo ukeneye hano, ukeneye iyi server, ugakenera n'iyi login ID. Login ID ni nk'umubare cyangwa indangamuntu yawe nyine muri MT5. Hanyuma kugira ubona aho ushyira ino ID ubanza gupestingamo iyi HFM Market Global. Iyi ni server ushyira muri MT5 kugira bazane umubroker, ababroker bari benshi kuri ino. So buri mubroker aba afite server, copy ino server kajyana muri MT5. Ubwo abantu mutabizi namwe muraza kuyandikira muri comment mbakorere tutorial y'ukuntu baloging in muri MT5. So nyuma y'ibi ngibi rero icyo gikurikiyeho nta kindi, uragaruka hano kuri promotion, ukane kuri available bonuses, urasanga ya account yawe irimo hano, uri kuyibona ngiyi, bitukanda kuri deposit. Ubwo ngaho ugiye gushyira amafaranga. Ikanze kuri deposit bakuzana zino methods zose zitandukanye zo gukora deposit. Dufite gukoresha credit cards, harimo ama Visa, ama Mastercard, dufite ama credit card, dufite hano bank transfer. Ushobora gukenera no gukoresha mobile money ari common. Mobile money ni mu bajyama ba confused ko hari mobile money A na mobile money B. Zose ni zimwe zikora kimwe, ariko ngiye nkoresha mobile money B. Hano uraza ugatepinga amafaranga, niba ari 500 ushaka gushyiraho, biraza kuba bibanye n'amadolari 340 nangahe, barabikwereka hano. Niba ari 50 byawe bibanye n'amadolari 338, akigeraho bahita bayagukubira kabiri. So ari ikiba gikurikiyeho no gukora deposit. Nimero bashyizemo hariya y'amafaranga, bakohereza code, ukanda hano, hanyuma ugakanda ngo pay with mobile money. Hano bahita bagira gute, bahita bakohereza agakode kamwe bakohereza iyo ugiye kubikuza kuri mobile money, niko bahita bakohereza. So guys, go ahead and make this thing, go ahead and make money from this bonus, man. This is for you. I have talked to the broker. I told him my people need this bonus, so please provide the bonus for them. So guys, right now ufite amahirwe yuko ushobora gushyira amafaranga bakakubira kabiri. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment and share with your friends, man. They need to see this, I know.